I'm extremely disappointed in you. And I'm gonna try to keep this video short because I gotta bounce, but I couldn't leave here without telling you why I'm disappointed with you. Because you have a lot on the table. You're leaving a lot of opportunities out there just roaming, thinking that they're gonna be there forever. These doors are opening up for you and you're not even taking advantage because you're like, oh yeah, that door will be open tomorrow. It'll be open next week. It'll be open next month, next year. When I feel ready, I'm gonna take that opportunity. When you don't understand that same opportunity you have right now, you may not get tomorrow. That same door that opened for you right now, you may not have that tomorrow. Those same opportunities that are just coming your way, those blessings, everything that's coming your way, if you don't take an advantage of them right now, they may not be there. You may not get the same opportunity again. And there's a whole bunch of reasons why you aren't taking the opportunity. There's a whole bunch of reasons why, you can pinpoint a whole bunch of things. But I'm gonna tell you the biggest reason why you're not taking the opportunity, because you're caring about all the people around you, how they're gonna feel if you take the opportunity, how they're gonna feel if you do things for you. And I get it. You're trying to be considerate of everybody around you. Like, oh, if I do this, how is it gonna affect this person and this group of people? How is it gonna affect those people? And that's all right. It's always cool to consider everybody around you. Matter of fact, I'm a big advocate for that. When you make a decision, you should be thinking about all the people around you. How is it going to affect the people that you care about the most? But some of you are thinking about those people and their feelings so much to the point that you're psyching yourself out and you're not doing what God called you to do. You're not doing what the universe is telling you to do. You're not taking those opportunities when you should. You're not taking the chances when you should. Those blessings, you aren't receiving them when you should, because you're thinking about this person. Oh, they're going to be mad at me. You're thinking about that person. Oh, they're not going to feel the way I feel about this opportunity. So you know what? I'm just not going to take it because I don't want to go through all that. And you know what's going to happen if you keep thinking that, if you keep going through that same cycle of thinking too much about people's feelings when it comes to the things that you want to do with your life, you're going to look back. You're going to be about 85, 90 years old. Whatever age, you're going to be getting close to that time, to when it's your time to leave this earth. And you're going to be looking back like, damn, I had all those opportunities. I had all of those blessings. I had all of those chances that came my way. And I didn't take advantage of any of them because I was worried about what they were going to say about me. I was worried about what they were going to think about my opportunity or my choice of going in this direction in my life. Nobody wants that. Regret is the worst thing in the world. It's not failing. I've said this before. Failing is a part of the process. Like, everybody fails and everybody thinks failing is like the biggest thing. Like, if you fail, it's like, oh no, like, oh, my life's ruined because of failure. No, it's not. It's not failure. It's regret. People fail all the time. But when people have opportunities and they don't take advantage of them, and then they look back, like, we all know the people, maybe it's your parents, maybe it's, your elders of some sorts, they living back in high school. They're living back in college. They're living back in their 20s and 30s. Like, man, I wish I would have did that when I was 20, when I was back in high school. Or I wish I would have did that. And it seems like they can't stop talking about it. It may not seem like a big deal, like when you hear people talk about it. The fact that they keep talking about what happened in high school, or the chances that they could have gotten in high school, the opportunities that they had when they were 25, that's eating them up. Regret is a whole lot worse than failure. So you need to retrain your mind. You need to reprogram your mind. Failure is a part of the process. I'm gonna do everything that I can to make sure that every opportunity on the table, even if it doesn't work out, you take it. Because if you ask me, I can't live with what if. What if I would have tried that? What if I would have went this direction? What if I would have, took that chance or took that risk? I can't live with the what if. I have to try it. And if I fail, all right, cool. The opportunity, it just wasn't for me. Put it to the side, and when the next one comes about, I'm taking that one. When the next chance comes about, I'm taking that chance. When the next blessing comes, I'm gonna make sure I'm ready to receive it. It's simple. Life is already as complicated as it is, so stop making it more complicated than it already is. And I know it's easier said than done, but that's why people like me are here, to show you a different way of thinking, to rewire yourself so you can think in the way that's going to help you succeed. I'm no genie. I don't know when you're going to make $1 million, but I know that you have the capability to make $1 million. I don't know when you're going to have that successful business, but I know that you're capable of having the successful business. Take every chance, every risk. Stop worrying about whether you succeed or fail. You're going to win some and you're going to lose some. And unfortunately, you can't control when you're going to win and when you're going to lose. But you know what you can control? You can control how prepared you are. So no matter if the opportunity works, no matter if the chance that you took works out for you or works against you, Nobody can ever say that you weren't prepared for that opportunity or you weren't prepared to take that chance. Some of you are walking around here worrying about what everybody else is feeling about what you're doing. How do you feel about what you're doing? That opportunity that's been sitting on the table, how do you feel about it? That chance that you're getting ready to take, how do you feel about it? And it's okay to be scared. It's okay to have a little bit of fear. But is it something that you truly want to do? Like, you know, in your heart, you can't really explain it, but you feel that something in you that says, hey, I want to do this. I got to do this. I got to take this chance. I need you to ask yourself that. Look yourself in the mirror and ask yourself those questions, because this is your life that you're living. This isn't theirs. And your success isn't depending on how other people are feeling. They're depending on your feelings, your emotions. If you want to do something, damn it, do it. And then let the road take you wherever it's going to take you. That's the problem with a lot of people. We try to control the things that we can't control. And that's why a lot of people are stressed out. That's why a lot of people don't feel so highly of themselves, because they're too busy trying to control something that can't be controlled. Like, people lose and they try to change the fact that they lost. But you can't do that. You lost. Accept it. Find out why you lost. And then use those same lessons so when the next opportunity comes about, your chances of losing are slightly smaller than they were that first time when you lost. But I've taken too much of your time. And once again, I am disappointed in you, because you're better than how you're acting. Your attitude is better than what it's been. Your mental, it can be better. You putting your successes and your goals on everybody else, that's not like you. I need you to take ownership. Take that back. This is my life. If I want to do it, I'm going to do it. And whatever comes out of it, I'm going to own up to it. If I lose, then I lose. If I win, then I win. Either way it goes, it was my decision, and you got to be proud of the decision that you make for yourself. You got to be proud of the direction that you go in life. Because some of y'all are too old to be putting your goals and your successes on other people. I'll tell y'all that. Some of y'all are too old for that. I need you to grow up and take ownership of your life. But that's all I got to say to y'all, man. Hopefully that whipped y'all into shape for the day. And I will see y'all when I see y'all, man. I better get this stuff right. It's your life, man. I shouldn't have to tell you that.